So the way that we got connected with the Zone is that because we had identified a very important pain point in the company. When I was talking with pretty much the whole senior leadership group of the company, everyone would agree about how great the science of the company was, how great the quality of the scientists was. But for some reason, there was a challenge for the company to come together and to get things done. I mean, the company had grown very rapidly from a 30 people startup to 1,000 people organization, both organically and through acquisitions. And the company really had never taken the time to stop and ask itself, what does it take to be effective at this new 1,000 people scale? So this was the process of bringing the Zone and engaging this senior leaders group to address this challenge. So as a result of this mobilization, AskBio started to achieve very critical milestones that had been elusive for a very long period of time. So if I had to describe the Zone briefly, I would say that they are a very concrete intervention to significantly improve the performance of the team. I would say what I really appreciated from the support that we received from the Zone was the quality of the team assigned, that in most of these services world is what makes the difference. I would say that the clarity of the frameworks, I would say that all the content transmitted resonated always very well with the teams. And I would say that they also always help us have the difficult discussions in a constructive way, that the methodology, the dynamics didn't avoid a conflict, but the opposite, it was much more trying to make sure that we were very assertive addressing those pain points and be able to move forward as an organization. So if I had to highlight another unique approach of the Zone, is that those dynamics with the teams are very real, very genuine. They conduct to very human, very open conversations, and the fact that it's much more hands-on, much more pragmatic, much more collaborative, as opposed to just deploying frameworks, that really makes probably the dynamics much more constructive and impactful. I really got in touch for the first time with the Zone once that they were working with one of our development teams, and what I found very impressive is that they really had a hold on what was really happening in the organization. I mean, they were not just professorial and just deploying content, but they really were engaging with the teams, and they were able to analyze, to express what needed to change, to work with the different team members. And that's how different people in the company convinced me that they were the right company to help us in this journey with the senior leaders group. And in the end, I would say that it played out very well, and we achieved the goals that we had to achieve.